Gonna do it again? Oh my gosh, go, just do it. Okay guys, this is a really sentimental part to me. I've always wanted to like go there, you know. I'm so excited.
Sa akin lang, magkano. Sabihin natin sa anong 400 sa akin. Magkano 400?
What if I just... They won't be able to get up here, right? What if I just... do this? Oh, shoot. Okay, she's telling me, I guess. She's telling me. Wait! Oh my freaking god. I caught trolls. But guys, look, I have a standby.
Hindi, halimbawa lang, 70. Baka matira siguro.
Like, okay, I don't know.
Walang matira. Kung 70 ang sahod mo doon.
Kasi sasakyan, yun yung nasasabi sa'yo. Dito wala tayong sasakyan, pero doon.
Oh my freaking
Magbabayad ka ng, hindi, wala.
Chimod,
Pero hindi ka naman pinilabilita ng 70 doon.
Hindi, halimbawa lang.